Daddy. Me. Me. Dad. Hurry, hurry.
Hurry, hurry. Are you ready to eat? Huh?
Huh? Mommy.
Julianne, what happened with the birds yesterday at the beach? Can you tell me the story? And then what happened?
They made funny noises, didn't they?
Then what happened? They ate your pretzels. And what'd you do? You cried.
How did you cry? What did you say?